Guys, I daily analyze 50 to 100 dropshipping store and almost 90% stores fails because they choose wrong dropshipping niche and very not good products. Okay, so if you see this full video about dropshipping niche, your mindset will be changed, and in your dropshipping journey you will be very success. Okay, so please see and which dropshipping niche will dominate in this 2025. And number 3 is very profitable. Don't miss this number 3. Okay, so let's start. So our first niche is health and wellness. The health and wellness industry continues to grow as people focus on self-care and healthier lifestyle. Okay, some trending products include smart fitness trackers, posture correctors, herbal supplements, and detox days, portable message device. Yes, when I analyze 50 to 100 dropshipping store, I see 50% store, I mean from the success stores, that likes 10 store success out of 100. There on this 10 stores I see 5 stores, at least 5 stores sell healthier and wellness products because they choose a branding, a unique product that value people's their healthy life. The product improve their healthy life and lot of things. So when see customers see that this product is very valuable in daily healthy life, it's change and others everything valuable value, it's very improvement products, then 90 to 80%, 80 to 90% customer definitely buy this product. Okay, so focus on health and wellness. Okay, number 2 is pet supplies. Okay, also keep remember that you have to focus on niche store. Okay, not random product selling store because customer don't like it, and day by day niche selection stores is getting high demand. Okay, so please just focus in niche, not random niche or random product that clothing, health and wellness, kitchen. No, don't sell this. Just focus only one niche. Okay, number 2, pet supplies. Pet owners are always looking for unique and high quality products for their truly furry friends. Okay, top selling items include automation pet feeders. Yes, it's good, and almost in the world, 70 80% people love to pet theirs as a healthy life and to better their healthy their pets that to easy life. Okay, so almost in Europe, in USA or North America, Asia, they have almost everyone's have pet. Okay, I mean they have dogs, they have cats, or more. So that's why pet supplies is a good niche. Smart pet collars, organic pet treats, pet grooming tools, which is very good. Number 3, home improvement and smart gadgets. So with remote work and home automation on the rise, uh, home improvement products are high demand. Okay, popular items include smart home device, ergonomic home office furniture, multifunctional kitchen gadgets, minimalist storage solution. This is the number 3 I told you. Don't miss this. These products is very highly profitable, I can guarantee you. And you have to find a unique, different, not like other computer selling. You have to make a good branding store, and you can choose find from AliExpress or others, but you have to be smart in winning product finding. Okay, number 4 is eco-friendly sustainable products. So consumers are becoming more environmentally conscious, making sustainable products a great niche. Trending items include reusable kitchen niche because kitchens is our daily work for making cook and food. Okay, so this is a good niche. So eco-friendly cleaning supplies, solar powered gadgets. Yeah, also. So this is the last, and also in the next video or few days later I will come to with more profitable dropshipping niche. Okay, so number 5 is tech accessories and gadgets. The demand of innovative tech accessories continues to grow. Some trending products are wireless chargers, Bluetooth enabled gadgets, portable projectors, anti-theft backpacks. Okay, that's it. So in this 2025, if you follow this dropshipping niche, I can 80% guarantee you, but this depends on your marketing, find winning product finding, and lot of like landing page designs. So that's it. If you follow this 5 niche, you will be success in dropshipping. Okay, but others rest of the things, it depends on you. Okay, so So thank you so much, guys. Guys, I daily analyze